AI passive income intro. For decades, the concept of passive income remained largely confined to a few established avenues: real estate investments, dividend stocks, or perhaps royalties from a hit song. These required significant upfront capital, specialized knowledge, or a stroke of luck. Building true wealth that generated income without constant effort felt like a distant dream for most. Today, something fundamental has shifted. Artificial intelligence is not just optimizing business processes or creating chatbots, it's fundamentally reshaping the landscape of personal wealth generation. AI tools, once the domain of research labs, are now accessible to virtually anyone with an internet connection. They can write articles, design graphics, edit videos, analyze market trends, and even manage complex datasets, tasks that previously demanded human time, skill, and sometimes entire teams. This automation capability is the key. Imagine an algorithm generating unique content for a blog that earns ad revenue, or a bot identifying profitable product niches for each store, then even writing the product descriptions. Picture an AI assistant creating digital art that sells on demand, or training data models for specific industries, delivering value while you sleep. The active work is front-loaded, setting up the system, training the AI, refining its prompts. Once established, these systems can operate with minimal ongoing intervention, transforming continuous effort into residual earnings. It is not magic, it is the systematic application of advanced computation to automate what was once manual labor. This opens up entirely new categories of income streams, making the dream of earning while you sleep more tangible and accessible than ever before. But how exactly does this translate into concrete, actionable strategies? And what are the real opportunities and pitfalls to navigate in this emerging digital economy? AI content creation. The rise of generative artificial intelligence has fundamentally shifted the landscape of content creation. What once required hours of human effort can now be drafted in moments. Large language models, trained on vast datasets of existing text, can write articles, marketing copy, poetry, and even entire video scripts. Their visual counterparts produce stunning images from simple text prompts, crafting everything from photorealistic landscapes to abstract art. We see similar advancements in music, where algorithms compose original scores, and in video, where AI assists with editing, voiceovers, and even character animation. This technology offers unprecedented speed and scalability. Businesses use AI to generate thousands of personalized emails or product descriptions, targeting individual consumers with tailored messages. Content marketers can draft initial blog posts or social media updates in seconds, freeing human writers to focus on refinement and strategic oversight. The sheer volume of AI-generated content entering the digital ecosystem is staggering. However, the question of originality and depth remains central. While AI can synthesize and reconfigure existing information, injecting genuine human experience, unique insight, or truly groundbreaking ideas is still the domain of human creators. AI excels at imitation and optimization based on what it has learned. It can produce something good enough or even impressive, but replicating the subtle nuances of human emotion, cultural context, or an unprompted flash of genius presence is a significant hurdle. As AI-generated content becomes ubiquitous, our understanding of authenticity and the value of human touch and creative work will inevitably evolve. The line between inspiration and automation grows blurrier, challenging us to redefine the very essence of creativity itself. Automated e-commerce. The seemingly simple act of clicking buy now online unleashes a sophisticated, often invisible, automated network. Gone are the days of manual stock checks and handwritten invoices. Today, when an order lands, sophisticated algorithms instantly confirm inventory across multiple warehouses, route the demand to the optimal location, and initiate the fulfillment process. Robotic systems, guided by data, navigate shelves to pick items, then whisk them away for packaging. Shipping labels generate automatically, and carriers are scheduled, all without direct human intervention. This relentless efficiency allows businesses to handle immense order volumes and deliver at unprecedented speeds, redefining customer expectations. But automation extends far beyond the warehouse floor. AI-powered chatbots now resolve routine customer inquiries instantly, offering 24/7 support and freeing human agents for more complex issues. Dynamic pricing engines constantly adjust product costs based on demand, competitor activity, and even weather patterns, optimizing revenue in real time. Personalized recommendations, powered by machine learning, ensure that each visitor sees products most relevant to them, significantly enhancing the shopping experience and driving sales. Marketing campaigns become highly targeted, automatically deploying content to specific customer segments. This integration of autonomous systems across every touchpoint reshapes how goods move, how services are delivered, and fundamentally alters the competitive landscape for businesses. Companies leverage these tools not just for speed, but for unparalleled data insights, continuously refining operations. The trajectory is clear. a retail environment increasingly designed to operate with minimal human oversight, blurring the lines between the digital storefront and the fully automated supply chain. AI Chatbot Services. AI Chatbot Services represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. At their core, these services are computer programs designed to simulate human conversation, understanding and generating text responses. They operate using sophisticated algorithms, primarily large language models, which process immense volumes of internet data. This training allows them to recognize intricate patterns in language, predict sequences of words, and construct coherent, contextually relevant replies. Initially, chatbots were simple rule-based systems, answering pre-programmed questions. Today, services powered by generative AI perform a much broader array of tasks. Businesses deploy them to manage customer support, providing instant answers to common queries, scheduling appointments, or guiding users through troubleshooting. Content creators utilize them to brainstorm ideas, draft articles, or even generate marketing copy. In education, they assist with research and personalized learning paths, while developers use them to write and debug code. They've become ubiquitous tools for information retrieval, often replacing traditional search engine queries with conversational exchanges. This integration brings significant advantages: round-the-clock availability, rapid response times, and the capacity to handle thousands of interactions simultaneously without human fatigue. Yet, their intelligence remains a complex topic. These models don't truly understand in the human sense they predict. They operate on probabilities, crafting responses based on the patterns they learned from their training data. This mechanism raises important questions about accuracy, bias, and the subtle ways these services might reshape our relationship with knowledge itself. AI affiliate marketing. The core of affiliate marketing has always been connecting products with the right audience. Now, artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing how this connection happens. AI affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword, it has a strategy where intelligent algorithms and tools automate, optimize, and scale the traditional affiliate model. One of AI's most impactful applications lies in content creation. AI-powered writers can generate product reviews, blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts at unprecedented speeds. This allows affiliates to populate websites and platforms with vast amounts of unique, keyword-rich content designed to attract specific search queries and reader interests. Beyond creation, AI excels at audience analysis. It processes massive datasets to identify niche markets, predict consumer trends, and even pinpoint individual purchasing intent, helping affiliates select the most relevant products to promote. AI also refines campaign performance. Algorithms perform real-time /B testing on ad copy, landing page designs, and call-to-action buttons, continuously optimizing for higher conversion rates. It automates email sequences, personalizes recommendations, and schedules social media posts for peak engagement times. This level of automation and data-driven optimization drastically reduces manual effort while maximizing potential returns. However, relying solely on AI presents its own complexities. The generated content, while voluminous, often requires human refinement to ensure accuracy, originality, and a truly engaging voice. Ethical concerns around transparency and the potential for misinformation also persist. As the landscape evolves, the challenge for affiliates becomes not just employing AI, but understanding its limitations and integrating it strategically. The ultimate goal remains authenticity and value, even when the tools used to achieve it become increasingly artificial. AI art generation. Type a few words, a simple description like a cat wearing a spacesuit, cyberpunk city background, and within seconds, a unique image appears. This is the core experience of AI art generation. These systems, often built on what are called diffusion models, don't paint in the traditional sense. Instead, they operate more like highly sophisticated passive synthesizers. They learn by analyzing billions of images and their corresponding text descriptions, identifying intricate relationships between visual elements and concepts. When prompted, the AI doesn't just pull an image from its database. It begins with pure visual noise and iteratively refines it, guided by the text prompt, gradually shaping the chaos into a coherent image. The process is akin to chiseling a sculpture from a block of marble, but the AI starts with a cloud of dust. The results can range from photorealistic landscapes and portraits to abstract compositions, all generated from scratch. This technology has democratized image creation, allowing anyone to bring complex visual ideas to life without needing artistic skill or expensive software. It has become a powerful tool for concept artists, designers, and hobbyists alike. However, this ease of generation also sparks intense debate, challenging long-held notions of authorship, originality, and the very definition of art itself. As these tools evolve, they force us to reconsider the boundaries of human creativity, where the line between tool and creator truly lies. AI tool development. Building an AI tool begins not with complex algorithms, but with data. Before a machine can learn, it needs information, vast amounts of it, meticulously collected and structured. Imagine supplying a student with an entire library relevant to their subject. This data acts as the AI's experience, allowing it to recognize intricate patterns, make predictions, or generate informed responses. Once the foundational data is prepared, engineers select or design an appropriate algorithm. This is the learning mechanism, the set of mathematical rules that will process the data. Different tasks demand distinct algorithms. A system identifying faces will employ different architecture than one translating languages. A chosen algorithm is then fed the curated data in a rigorous process called training. During training, the AI model iteratively adjusts its internal parameters, refining its understanding based on the patterns it identifies. It is a continuous loop of prediction and correction, often requiring immense computational power and time. After this initial learning, the tool undergoes extensive validation. Developers push the model to its limits, evaluating its accuracy, robustness, and fairness across diverse, real-world scenarios. This entire process is rarely a one-time event. An AI tool continuously evolves. New data emerges, performance gaps become apparent, or user needs shift. Developers return to earlier stages, refining algorithms, augmenting existing datasets, and retraining models. This continuous refinement ensures the tool remains effective and adaptable. Ultimately, AI tool development is less about a finished product and more about an ongoing journey of intelligent iteration. AI voiceovers, for use, the idea of a computer speaking conjured images of monotone, robotic voices, a novelty at best, and annoyance at worst. That perception fundamentally shifted with the rise of AI voiceover technology. Today's systems leverage advanced neural networks, learning from vast datasets of human speech to synthesize entirely new vocal performances. The transformation from choppy, synthetic sounds to remarkably natural speech has been rapid. Modern AI can now replicate the nuances of human expression, the subtle rise and fall of pitch, the strategic pauses, even the emotional inflections that convey sadness, excitement, or contemplation. Users can choose from a growing library of voices, customize speaking styles, and even clone existing voices with startling accuracy. This capability has rewritten the script for various industries. E-learning platforms create accessible course materials faster. Content creators produce multilingual versions of their videos without hiring multiple voice artists. Audiobooks reach listeners with new narrative voices, and customer service bots sound more empathetic than ever before. Yet, this power brings a complex set of questions. The authenticity of a voice, once a hallmark of human presence, now faces a digital twin. What happens when a synthetic voice becomes indistinguishable from a real one? How do we differentiate genuine expression from sophisticated simulation? The technology offers incredible utility, but it also compels us to redefine our understanding of sound, identity, and the very act of speaking. AI stock trading, the image of a frantic trader yelling orders on a stock exchange floor, feels increasingly like a relic of the past. Today, the real action often unfolds in server farms, driven by artificial intelligence. AI in stock trading moves beyond simple automated algorithms. It employs machine learning models designed to analyze colossal datasets, not just historical prices and trading volumes, but also news headlines, social media sentiment, even satellite imagery to predict economic shifts. These models identify intricate patterns and correlations that human analysts could never spot, making decisions with unparalleled speed. The primary appeal lies in its capacity for objective, high-speed execution. AI doesn't experience fear or greed. It executes trades based purely on statistical probabilities and pre-programmed parameters, filtering out the emotional biases that often derail human investors. However, this immense power introduces new complexities. The black box nature of advanced AI models means even their creators sometimes struggle to fully explain why a particular decision was made. They learn from past data, but unexpected events, so-called black swans, can render those learned patterns useless or even exacerbate market volatility during crises. The continuous feedback loop of AI trading could also create new, unpredictable market dynamics. As AI's role in finance expands, it reshapes not just the speed of transactions, but the very nature of market efficiency and risk. Understanding how these intelligent systems operate becomes essential, not only for institutions deploying them, but for anyone seeking to navigate tomorrow's financial landscape. AI course building, the traditional path to building a comprehensive online course, often demands months of painstaking effort. Subject matter experts spend countless hours outlining modules, writing lessons, designing interactive exercises, and crafting effective assessment. It is a significant bottleneck, slowing the rapid dissemination of crucial knowledge across various fields. Now, artificial intelligence is fundamentally reshaping this landscape. AI tools can swiftly analyze vast amounts of existing data, identifying core concepts and learning pathways within any given subject. They generate initial course outlines, suggest relevant learning objectives, and even draft foundational content for lectures and readings. This capability shifts the human educator's primary role from sole content creator to vital editor and curator, guiding the AI's output. Consider an AI ingesting textbooks, research papers, and recorded lectures on a complex topic like quantum physics. Within minutes, it can propose a structured curriculum complete with detailed lesson plans and targeted quiz questions. This AI can also adapt content for different learning levels, explaining intricate ideas simply for beginners or delving into advanced theories for seasoned students. This dramatically accelerates the development cycle, making education more agile. Beyond initial creation, AI also plays a significant role in personalization. By continuously monitoring a student's progress and comprehension, AI can dynamically adjust the course material. It can offer remedial help precisely where needed or present advanced challenges to those excelling, creating a far more responsive and effective learning environment than static, one-size-fits-all courses ever could. While AI offers incredible efficiencies and customization, the ultimate success of these courses still hinges on human expertise to refine, validate, and infuse the material with real-world context and empathy. The question becomes, how do we best integrate this powerful new assistant without losing the human touch that truly inspires deep learning? AI data services. Behind every sophisticated AI system, from facial recognition to predictive analytics, lies a hidden industry, AI data services. These aren't just about collecting raw information, they are about transforming it into usable fuel for machine learning algorithms. AI models don't learn magically. They require enormous data sets, meticulously prepared and labeled, to identify patterns, make decisions, and understand context. Imagine training a self-driving car. It needs millions of images of roads, pedestrians, traffic signs, all precisely marked so the AI can distinguish a human or a stop sign from a billboard. This is where data services step in. They encompass a range of tasks, gathering diverse data points, annotating images with bounding boxes, transcribing audio files, or categorizing text for sentiment analysis. Human experts often perform these initial, critical steps, ensuring accuracy before the data ever reaches an algorithm. Cleaning datasets, removing inconsistencies, and enriching them with relevant metadata are also crucial. This ensures the AI isn't learning from flawed or incomplete information. Without these specialized operations, even the most advanced AI algorithms would struggle to perform effectively, producing unreliable or biased results. The quality of an AI's output is directly proportional to the quality of the data it's trained on. These services are the invisible engine powering the AI revolution, but they also raise questions about the ethics of data sourcing and the potential for embedded human biases to persist within these curated datasets. AI dropshipping. Dropshipping, the e-commerce model where you sell products without holding any inventory, has always relied on finding niche markets and efficient logistics. Now, artificial intelligence is fundamentally reshaping its landscape. AI algorithms sift through vast datasets of consumer behavior, social media trends, and competitor analysis. They identify products with high demand and low market saturation, effectively automating the crucial market research phase that once took hours, even days, of manual effort. This allows entrepreneurs to pinpoint winning products with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Once a product is chosen, AI steps in to build out the digital storefront. It generates compelling product descriptions, optimizes images for search engines, and even creates initial ad creatives and video scripts. This means a fully functional e-commerce site can go from concept to live in a fraction of the time, often requiring minimal human intervention. Marketing campaigns become smarter and more targeted. AI analyzes user data to pinpoint ideal audiences, crafting personalized ad copy and dynamically adjusting bids for maximum return on investment across platforms. Customer interactions also see AI integration. Chatbots handle routine inquiries, freeing up human support for more complex issues, or eliminating the need for human support entirely for basic tasks. Beyond the storefront and marketing, AI optimizes the supply chain itself. Predictive analytics forecast demand, helping sellers identify reliable suppliers and manage product flow, even if they never touch the physical item. This efficiency allows small operations to compete on a scale previously reserved for larger enterprises, lowering the barrier to entry significantly. But this automation raises new questions. While AI streamlines operations and democratizes market entry, the sheer volume of AI-generated content in stores floods the digital marketplace. Standing out now means not just finding a product, but creating a truly unique customer experience in a sea of algorithmic sameness.